English Communication Skills Lesson 1. Introducing yourself in English. Welcome to English Communication Skills. Have you ever met someone and wanted to introduce yourself in English, but were unsure what to say? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself naturally and confidently. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to greet people, introduce yourself, ask someone's name, and hold a simple conversation in English. Let's get started. When you meet someone for the first time, the first thing you do is greet them. Here are some common greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These are polite and formal greetings. In everyday conversations, you can also say hi, hello, hey. Another common greeting is, "What's up?" This expression is informal and is mostly used with friends. Now, let's learn how to introduce ourselves. The simplest way is, "Hi, I'm John." You can also say, "Hello, my name is John." Or simply, "I'm John, nice to meet you." These are all natural ways to introduce yourself. Now let's add a little more information. You can mention what you do, where you're from, your hobbies. I'm from Britain. I work as a teacher. I enjoy learning languages. I love meeting new people. Notice that each sentence is short, clear, and easy to understand. After introducing yourself, it is polite to ask about the other person. You can ask, "What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies?" Now, let's listen to a short conversation.
Hi, I'm John.
Hello, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Britain. How about you?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Now, let's look at a few common mistakes. Don't say, "I am come from Britain." Instead say, "I am from Britain." Don't say, "My name John." Say, "My name is John." And don't say, "Nice meet you." Say, "Nice to meet you." Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in English. Say your name. Say where you're from. Say what you do. Then talk about one of your hobbies. Remember, don't worry about making mistakes. Every conversation helps you improve. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing your introduction until it feels natural. In the next lesson, you will learn how to start, continue, and end conversations confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.